If you're struggling with stubborn weight, especially around the belly, have sleep or mood issues, or do unwanted snacking, then this ancient 3 ingredient anti inflammatory morning drink can help your body melt fat. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a full body reset weight loss drink which will attack the weight gain problem from multiple angles and fix it from the core. So without any further ado, let's get started. Take a cup and add 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha is popular in traditional Ayurvedic medicines and is also known as Indian ginseng. It is classified as an adaptogen and it aids weight loss by targeting root causes. It powerfully reduces the stress hormone cortisol, which directly reduces belly fat storage and curbs cravings. This, combined with improved energy and better sleep, helps shift your body from a fat-storing state to a fat-burning one. Choosing organic ashwagandha is crucial. This powerful herb readily absorbs pesticides and heavy metals from the soil, and organic certification ensures you get a pure, potent, and clean product, making your wellness ritual safe and effective. Buying links can be found in the description box. Next, add a pinch of saffron. Saffron acts as a natural appetite suppressant. It enhances mood and promotes a feeling of fullness, helping to reduce snacking and boosting metabolism. By curbing cravings, especially for sugary foods, it makes it easier to maintain a calorie deficit for weight loss. Saffron has well-documented mood-boosting benefits, which may help curb emotional or stress-related eating. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Healthy fats like ghee keeps you full and satisfied, so you naturally eat less. It also helps your body absorb the fat-soluble compounds in ashwagandha and saffron. Ghee also contains fat-soluble vitamins, healthy fats like MCTs, and beneficial compounds like butyrate and CLA that help your body burn fat and boost your metabolism. All these compounds have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. In the end, fill the cup with warm water, stir, and it's ready. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Do not eat or drink anything for the next 30 minutes. This powerful trio works synergistically. Ghee helps with absorption and satiety, ashwagandha manages the stress behind the weight, and saffron controls the cravings. It's a full system reset. Pair this weight loss drink with a balanced diet and movement to see weight and stubborn fat dropping down. You may consume this anti-inflammatory drink for 3 months straight and then give a break of 2 weeks and start again if you like. This drink is safe for all except for pregnant and breastfeeding women, as the safety of ashwagandha has not been established, or if you have an upcoming surgery, or anyone allergic to the nightshade family. This full body reset drink is not just powerful but also easy to make. If you have hormonal issues, then I do have golden water recipe on my channel. It's very effective and loved by many. I'll link it below in the description box for your reference. So do try this anti-inflammatory drink for at least 15 days to feel your best and drop your experience in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple yet powerful recipes, and I will see you soon with a new one. Till then, remember, you will never change your life until you change something you do daily. Bye-bye.